Dear students, today we are going to see lesson number 1, Roman numerals of standard 5, subject mathematics. In Roman numerals, capital letters are being used. Which capital letters are being used? I, then V, then X. These capital letters are used in the Roman numerals to show the number. In our English language, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. In this block 2, we use English numbers. In this block 1, we use Roman numbers. Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, for 1, capital I is used. 1 is represented by capital I. Now, 2 is represented by 2 capital I's. Means 1 capital I plus 1 capital I. Value of I is 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. So when we use 2 capital I's, so its value becomes 2. Now we move forward on 3. Here 3 capital I get used, so value becomes 3. Now here 4. In this 4, I is used and V is used. Value of I is 1. Value of I is 1. Value of V is 5. Now, I is on the left side of V. So, we subtracting this I from this V. Means value of I, we subtract from value of V. Value of I is 1, which gets subtracted from the value of V, and it becomes 4. So, value of this IV is 4. Now, value of V is represented by 5, or 5 is represented by V. Now, for represent 6, we use 5, V is equal to 5, I is equal to 1. So, it becomes 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Why 6? Because this I is placed on the right side of this V. When it is placed on right side of V, then value of I get added into the value of V. Value of V is 5, value of I is 1. Both get added and it becomes 6. Now for the 7, 5, value of V is 5, value of I is 1, next value of I is 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 it becomes 7. Now 8, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Now, 9. This is here 10. 10 is represented by X. 10 is represented by X. So, value of X is 10 and value of I is 1. So, I is placed on left side of this X. That's why it gets subtracted from the value of X. So 10 minus 1, it becomes 9. So value of this I and x becomes 9. Now going forward on this x, value of x is 10. So multiply value of 10, value of x is 10. Now we move forward on the values of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So when we put 10 over here, x, 10 as x, then it becomes 11. Then when we put 10 over here, then it becomes 12. When we put in x over here, then it becomes 13. When we put x over here, then it becomes 14. When we put 10 here, then it becomes 15. When we add 10 over here, then it becomes 16. Because 6 is right side of this x, that's why it gets added into the value of x. Value of x is 10, value of vi is 6, so both get added and 16 comes. So everywhere these values get added into the value of x and we can write the new values. So here I am writing x, so value becomes 17, here 10, value becomes 18, here also 10, value becomes 19, here is again 1x, value becomes 20. Now we are going to see the rules used to create Roman numerals. Now rule number 1 says that where I or x get repeated, then their value get added. We take some example. When we write 2, then we use 2i's. Now here I get repeated, so value of I get added. Value of I is 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. When x get repeated, then its value get added. When we write x like this, then we have to add 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So value of xx is 20. Now the second rule, I or x can be repeated maximum 3 times, not more than 3 times, and we never get repeated. We never get repeated. Only I or x can be repeated maximum 3 times, not more than 3 times. We take some example. I, this will be okay. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it becomes 3. But when we write 4 times I, then it is not possible. For this 4, we can use the symbols I here and V here. So it becomes 4. How it becomes 4? When I is placed on the left side of V or a bigger number, then its value gets subtracted from the big number. So value of V is 5, value of I is 1 gets subtracted and we get 4. So for using 4, we use I and V. So 4 times I cannot be repeated. In the same way, X cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Now we are going to see rule number 3. Rule number 3 says when I or V written on the left side of bigger number, then its value gets subtracted from the big number. We take one example. I am taking IV. I is on the left side of the bigger number V. So its value gets subtracted from the value of V. So value of V is 5, value of I is 1, it gets subtracted and we get the answer 4. We take the another example of 9. Now see, I is placed left side of this bigger number 10. So this value of I gets subtracted from the big number. So value of X is 10. Then value of I is 1 gets subtracted from this bigger number and we get 9. So to display the 9 we use like this symbol. To display the 4 we use like this symbol. Now we are going to see rule number 4. Rule number 4 says that when I or V written on the right side of big number, then its value gets added in the big number. We take one example. VI. Now see, this I is written on the right side of this V. So V is a big number and I is a small number. So value of I get added into the value of V. So value of V is 5 plus value of I is 1. We get answer 6. We take another example, 10 and 1. So value of X is 10, value of I is 1. I is on the right side of X, that's why we are adding the value of I into the big number. So value of X is 10 plus value of I is 1. So answer becomes 11.